Hi there, welcome once again, and this is the time for learning how to place video inside the text. And this is one of the most amazing things, and I'm pretty sure you will love to learn these things. So let me show you an example. This is a video clip from our exercise file, and here is the text named hey, and we placed this video clip inside this text, and here is the output. So let me play this one. Cool, the video is playing inside the text, and that is really amazing. So let's take a look how I will place a video inside the text. So right now we are going to place the video inside the text, and therefore you just have to create a project, and you can take a look. This is my project named video inside text. Okay, great. Right now we have to import a video from our exercise file, and you know how to import it. You just have to go for file menu, import option, and inside our exercise file you will get this pixels video 2786540. This video you will get inside the exercise file, and you just have to select it, and then you have to click open. Here we go, this is our video, and I'm going to place this video file inside our timeline. So you just have to drag and drop this one, and you can take a look. The video is placed inside our timeline. But we are not going to play this video clip. We are going to place this video clip inside the text. So let's start for the text part. For placing this video file inside the text, we have to go for legacy title, and you will get the legacy title inside the file menu. So here is the file menu, and here is the new option, and inside the new option you will get this legacy title. So you just have to click it, and this is a pop-up for setting your legacy title. So you can put the resolution for your video settings, but as default I'm keeping 1080 pixel, and you can put a name. So I'm going to put hey as our legacy title name, and then you just have to click OK. So this is our pop-up for creating the legacy title, and you can take a look. The video view also previewed inside the frame. So at first we have to use the rectangle tool. So here is the rectangle tools, and using the rectangle tools we have to draw a rectangle shape. So let's draw a rectangle shape, and I want to cover the entire frame of this video footage with the rectangle shape. Cool. So right now we have the rectangle shape over here, and we have the white color, but we don't want to use the white color. We want to use the black color for the fill color. So here is the option for fill color. So I want to go for this option, and here is the color picker. I want to pick the black color for our fill color. Okay, so this is the fill option, this is the color option, and from here you have to pick the color, and we taken the black color. Okay, cool. Right now we have to use the type tool. So here is the type tool, and using this type tool we are going to type the name. So here is different type of presets are available. So let me write the text first, then we are going to change the style. So here is the text, and we have to type hey, H-E-Y. You can take a look. We have the text typed over here, but it seems still black because we still have the black color as our fill color. So we're going to change it. We're going to make it white, and therefore we just have to go for this fill option, and here is the color picker option, and from here we are going to pick the white color, and let me click OK. And you can take a look. Right now the text is visible, and you can take a look. It's not really looks bigger, and we want to make it bigger, bold. So you can pick any preset from here. So I'm going to pick this one, Arial Black, and right now we have the good preview for the text, but we are going to make it bigger. So here is the size option. Right now we have 100 point and I'm going to increase it. So let's increase the 100, more than 100 point, and let's make the text bigger. Okay, so I placed 572 point, or if you want to put the manual value, you can put it over here. Okay, so here is our text, but it's not centered. So let's place it in center. For placing this text at center, you can use this center option. So you just have to click for here once again. This will be placed the width, and here is the option for centering option of height. So we have the perfect height and width centralized, and right now we have to close this tab. So let me close this pop-up from here. Okay, pop-up is gone, and you can take a look. The Hey Legacy title is present in our project panel. So now we have to place this legacy title in our video track toolbar, as we placed the main video footage at our video track 1 bar, and we are going to place this Hey Legacy title at our video footage or video track 2 bar. So let's place this legacy title at our video track 2 bar, and I want to make the duration long as well as with our main video footage. So we have the same duration, the legacy title and the video footage, but you can take a look. The video is masked by the text, but the video is not appeared inside the text. How you will do that? You can do that in very simple way. So you just have to select this legacy title or Hey text, then you will get the effect controls settings, and inside the effect controls for this Hey Legacy title, you will get the blending mode, and from the blending mode you have to change it, and you have to go for multiply. So where is the multiply? This is the multiply. So you have to use this multiply blending option, and here is the magic. You can take a look. The video is placed inside the text. So let me play this one. Cool, huh? It's really simple. You just have to use the blending mode as the multiply, and then the video will be placed inside the text. So this is the quite simple way for placing the video inside the text, and let's have some practice.